And if you're dealing with a power outage, though, you don't have many options, so many are turning to generators. They can be a big help, but they can also be dangerous if they're not used correctly. THV 11's Brooke Buckner has some safety tips from experts.
We've noticed a big uptick in generator service calls and generator installation calls.
David Holloman at Airmaster says his technicians are working hard this week, responding to about 30 generator service calls since Sunday's storm. And an uptick like this is uncommon this time of year.
We get a strong surge of generator calls in the spring when the storm seasons, but this late in the year it's kind of unusual.
Holloman welcomes any customer concern calls because he'd rather people be safe than sorry and get the necessary maintenance before something goes wrong. Airmasters only works on home standby generators like this one, and he recommends these to customers because they require less labor.
Once the power goes out, it automatically does everything. It'll switch over in the breaker panel so that there's no safety issues.
And for portable ones like this, fire officials say make sure you keep it at least 20 feet away from your home. That way you won't get carbon monoxide inside.
The exhaust is just like a vehicle. It's like leaving the exhaust off that engine. It's got to go into the atmosphere. If it's staying inside a house, it'll fill up the garage and then eventually get into the living areas.
North Little Rock Fire Captain Dustin Free says you should also use a funnel when filling it up with gas. And if you spill any, don't start it until the gas evaporates. According to North Little Rock Electric, you also should never plug a generator into a wall outlet or breaker panel because it could send electricity back onto the distribution system and be potentially deadly to employees.
So we're trying to make sure that the public knows all the safety tips.
Brooke Buckner, THV 11 News.
Brooke, thank you. Now, while some using generators are waiting for the power to return, utility companies continue to stress the grid can and will handle the demand as everyone gets turned back on.